Therefore, it is binding upon Muslim women to wear the hijab. Hijab is an Arabic word. It means a barrier. But according to the Islamic terminology, it means to cover the whole body except eyes, arms and feet. Allah said in the Quran, يا أيها النبي قل لأزواجك وبناتك ونساء المؤمنين يدنين عليهن من جلابيبهن. O Prophet, tell your wives, daughters and women of believers to bring down their outer garments over themselves. Dear audience, nowadays hijab is criticized by the national and international media. While it is not only Islam that made necessary for women to wear the hijab, it is also the teachings of Ramayana, Rigveda, Torah and Injil. And it was also the part of Persian, Roman, Egyptian, Chinese, Indian and Greek culture. But Prophet ﷺ told the Muslim women in detail where it is necessary and where it is not, and how hijab should be. And hijab is not only religious order, but it is also the demand of time and nature. Because by the nudity and prostitution, minds of youth have been distracted. Their health have been destroyed. They cannot focus on their jobs, works, research and studies. By the nudity and prostitution, the cases of rape are increasing day by day. So hijab is very important. We cannot deny the importance of hijab. Therefore, it is obligatory in Islam. And hijab is not an obstacle to the progress of Muslim women. While wearing the hijab, they can get high education. Nowadays, many girls are passing the examination of NEET and UPSC while wearing the hijab. So hijab is not the problem. To remove the shyness and get self-confidence, putting of hijab is not the solution. Solution is getting more knowledge and getting basic knowledge of everything. So Muslim women should not be influenced by the propagandas of media and enemy and follow the rule of hijab.